Okay, well, here we are. We're back. We did a little bit of work since our last video. We got our minor tool shop area getting set up here. Bought a used table saw yesterday, so we're gonna install that over here. Got our our living room all set up, ready to rock and roll. So today we actually turned on some of the lights, got the power going, and looks like they mislabeled some of the breakers. Go figure. But we actually have lights in most of the rooms. So this fan works, but the light bulb's out. This is the master, by the way, master bedroom. Pretty good size. So once we get it all fixed up, actually should be quite comfortable in here. Plenty of space. And then here's the master bathroom, which is actually pretty spacious with nice her sinks, which I hate her sinks, by the way. They didn't make no sense. But anyways, here's where the old tub used to be, the old jacuzzi tub. So I'm thinking I'm gonna rip out all this crap, probably rip out this shower, maybe, depending on how good a condition it's in. It doesn't look too bad. Little, literally water closet here. But yeah, a little bathroom right there. So it's not a bad layout. So we should just need to do cleaning and repairs. We should be okay and good to go. All right, so here's our kind of an ante room to the master bedroom. This is the part that Emma missed last time, coming off of the kitchen, by the way. So this is squirreled away back here. But this wall right here actually goes through to the living room. So I'm gonna take out this crap that they installed here and reopen this up and put in some French doors eventually between this room, which will be kind of my lab slash work room, and that way we can lock those off if we need to, or open them up if I'm working or whatever, and just kind of want to be part of things a little bit, so I'm not completely isolated. And then you know, nice little view out to the cornfield and everything. Despite being near the highway, it's actually really quiet out here. You really can't hear anything. Hey Watson, what do you think, bud? So far, we've managed to actually rip out all the nasty flooring. Stay back, Ray. All the nasty flooring from here. As you can see, we're dealing with a lot of wood rot right here. So there's going to be a lot of OSB we have to just straight up replace before we can do anything. The great debate right now is, once we've gotten the replacement OSB, are we just going to want to replace everything, or do we want to actually just throw a new floor on top of the old floor with a new subfloor, that is. So you might not be able to tell, but it's like walking on the high seas right here, because this board is so thin that it's warped over time. It's actually an entire inch dip from peak to peak, which is about, I'd say about maybe 32 inches or so. The living room here is rather flat, and you can actually see almost an outline here of where the other door kind of used to punch through from over here all the way to this side here. But yeah, this area here is not too bad. So the only room that's terrible is, hi sweetie, you found some basketballs left behind, huh? Neat. So yeah, we're debating on whether or not we just want to try to put something over top of this stuff, or if we just want to rip it all out and put in new flooring, and then put in a nice thicker floor. The real question, as Mark has correctly pointed out, is whether or not the joists are in good enough shape to support that. What do you think, Emmy?
I don't know, I haven't seen the joists, but you know, I don't hate that bathroom in the middle now that I can actually see it.
Yeah, do you know what a joist is?
I know what a joist is.
Okay.
Hey, we each have our lanes. At the moment, that's not mine.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright.
So here's the other bathroom. It's really is gonna need some work in here. This would be the kids' bathroom, which the house actually has. Yeah, I did. The house actually has 3 bathrooms. So here's another bathroom. This is gonna be like kind of the guest bathroom, if you will. And then the kids got their own bathroom, and we got our own bathroom tucked all the way back in there. I gotta say, the layout of this place is really nice for a manufacturer, especially. It's starting to get to that era where they're starting to figure out how they want to lay out things, but we just barely missed by probably about 10 years when they really started making these things quite nice. And shout out to all the turlips that work on, and actually all my mom's family too, all the Cornishes and everybody that work on these type of things these days, because man, they've made some great improvements over the years. Since the 90s, really, especially early 90s, these things have come a long way. So actually, for those of you on YouTube that are not familiar with manufactured housing as much, the interesting thing about this house that I've learned is that it's actually supported by four beams underneath. So underneath the house, you can kind of see the best place to see it. You can kind of see the division here where the ridge of the roof is going all the way down the length of the house.
That roof kicked on. Did you do that?
No. It kicked on its own?
I mean, it's on now. It didn't seem like it was on a minute ago.
Did the kids hit
Do
it?
you hear it?
Yeah, I do hear it. The kids hit it?
I have no idea. You missed them?
Ghost monkeys. So, another fun fact about this place is it used to be inhabited by a crazy old lady that had a crap load of monkeys, some of which she kept in the house, most of which she kept out in the barn. And anyway, yeah, so there's ghost monkeys here. So anyway, there's 4 beams right underneath the house. Right about where Wraith's standing is one, and then off to the left is another. And then there's 2 more kind of running this way here and over here. Underneath that are the joists, which go this way. And then all the floorboards on top of that. You guys boxing?
They each have a glove on.
Yeah? Go box. Ba 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 ba. You guys having fun? Helping? All right. Well, I'm gonna get back to work and start ripping out the carpet here and follow behind Em. And she's doing a good job, despite being so pregnant, cleaning up all the trash and stuff. Thanks, Emmy.
It's probably better use of our money than the time we went to New Orleans when I was 8 months pregnant.
Yeah, that's true.
But that was fun. I like that.
Oh, what you got there? Oh, that looks gross. What is that?
What it is exactly.
That looks like.
Is it a hand warmer or something? I think.
Subscribe to our channel and tell us if you know what this thing is.
It's purple. So.
I have no idea what that is. I think it is a hand warmer.
No, that's some pretty sweet hunting gear.
Oh, let's go look at the hunting gear. Let's see what we got.
It's just clothing and stuff.
Well, yeah, but let's see what we got.
All right. Well, when one of them grows into them, look at these kids' boots. These are legit.
Oh, those are legit.
Yeah,
those are pretty.
waterproof and everything.
Those are nice boots.
Yeah, we're hanging on to those.
Yeah, those are those Ariats?
No, Bone Collector. It says. I don't know.
Oh, I don't know that brand.
Yeah, but.
Oh, and jeans.
No, there's a ton. I'm getting this bag for
good
clothes
old-fashioned American blue jeans. Oh, there's also a nice dresser we're probably actually going to keep and refinish. It's just one of these nice old solid wood ones. You just can't get rid of this. Huh? You can just leave the rat poison for now.
Okay.
Unless you think Watson's going to get them. Maybe pick them up.
Since you have the traps.
Yeah, I'd pick them up then.
I can keep them, but I'll pick them up.
Yeah, pick them up. I think you're right. I didn't think about that.
Yeah, now that everybody's
What's in this closet here? Nothing.
Closet.
Oh, there's a big closet. Yeah, there's a lot of nice surprises and a lot of yucky surprises in this house, but by and large, I think this is going to be the first bathroom I get functional. Although the wall in here is really poorly done. You can see how it's ribbing out because they never actually put this together properly, number one. And number two,